to. The main market is now open for the first time after 5 years. I'm going there to buy a few things. I will go to the other emergency line. Well, now, I will come to your shed. You just shed the Yagama your shed. I will come to your shed. Oh no, man, I have on too. Oh no, I'm gonna have money too. Oh, you too, no, thank you very much. Thank you. Imejuleju. Hey, Mbaka Nabia, Agamabia, say. Adamabia. Thank you very much. Thank you. I love you all. I love you all. You've come to market. You've come to main market. Oh my God, what a crowd. What a crowd. Clap for yourselves. I have come. Oh no, again there. Abia mezu afioto. Abia mezu main market. Oh no, I have come to shop at main market. Today is the first Monday in 5 years that main market, the biggest market in West Africa, will be open. I want to thank all of you who have come, very patriotic, courageous traders, businessmen. There is security in Anambra. Everywhere is bustling. You have confirmed it. Up here, and main market is finally open. Main market is finally open. Am I family? Are you listening to me? Or whether if or no phone? I get the main market in Mong. And it will be okay. Can you say Swafia? Kambazia imaja kanje Swafia no. Adi ame Swafia. Why for Nella? Or why for Nanyam? Caroline no. Where is your shop? Your line in email. I'm coming to your home. Anambra. Saida. Johnson. You want me Johnson? Bright. Which side? F-line or E-line? Or Lagos line? Can I make off for Plaza? Okay, the name. And man may just if I jump my just room. Can you go off for phone? What? And my dear. Get in. Pot. You want a pot? You want me to buy pot? Aqua. And I have come to shop, and I will shop plenty today. I've come. Thank you very much. Thank you. With our nation main market open, Anambra is finally open. With our nation main market open, Anambra is finally open. And Southeast is finally open. Thank you very much. I love you all. I love you all. I love you all. I love you. I love you. I love you all. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Seba.
I ain't alive in a main market, February 2, 2026. Our Commissioner for Information. Cái nào cái size đấy. Ako Boris. Yes. I think go to the line, chairman is talking. I'm the chairman of the line. Abang makan apa? Okay. Let's go. Yes. Hey, Soludo. Emperor. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
The Lagos line, shop your leg, Lagos line. 755. Oh my God. You know this here. Lagos line. On this here.
The Otumba, Chelo Otumba.
Okay, number that.
Otumba.
Okay, I'm never there.
Otumba, no sir.
Lagos line, bueno. When I'm along line now. I na be back, especially Christmas night.
No was it?
I na be back. But from now, no one can get regularly, especially on Mondays. Thank you very much and God bless you.
Thank you very much.
Listen, can be a canal no. Where say no na eto out again. Security abiago. No greater security. And the whole world would now be coming to Onitsha to shop again. Okay.